Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to do push-ups properly and the mistakes we tend to do while doing push-ups and how to avoid them. So please do watch the video till the end, and if you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. The first important thing while doing push-ups is your posture. The distance between your hands should be equal to the distance of your shoulder. Your back and your pelvic muscle should be straight. So this is the posture for a normal push-up. Down, your back should be straight and it should move accordingly. You should not bend your back like this. This can damage your shoulder. You should not bend your back like this also. Your back should be straight. Your pelvic muscle should be straight. This muscle. And just go down accordingly. The second most important thing while doing push-ups is your breathing. So when you're up, you should take a breath and go down. And when you come up, you should breathe out. Just go down and come up. Breathe in, go down, come up. So to avoid some mistakes, I have a trick for you. For this trick, you'll need a cell phone. You have to place this cell phone neck like this. Make sure your posture is perfect and try to do a push-up without making the phone fall. See, if you do your back like this, the phone will fall down. This is not the right way. If you do your back like this, your phone will fall down again, which is not the right way again. Place your phone here. Come in your position. Just go down. Come up. So that's a very nice trick. Make sure your phone doesn't fall. So I hope this video will help you to do push-ups properly. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.